This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and connection. Place the watch on a working magnetic charger and wait 30 minutes. While it charges, inspect the puck and back of the watch for dust or sweat that blocks contact. If you see dirt, gently clean with a soft, lint-free cloth and isopropyl swab. Make sure the cable and USB are intact. Once done, try a second charger or outlet to isolate a bad cable or power source before moving to system troubleshooting. If charging didn't help, force restart the watch. Press and hold both the side button and digital crown for about 10 to 15 seconds until the Apple logo appears. If it still stays black, unpair from your iPhone using the Watch app to trigger an automatic backup and reset, then repair to restore software. Make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth and iOS are up to date. If repairing fails or it boots into recovery loops, stop and prepare for deeper diagnostics or service options. If resets fail, examine the case for cracks, swelling, or moisture indicator color change. These point to hardware issues. Contact Apple support or an authorized service provider and run their remote diagnostics. They can confirm battery, display, or board faults. Do not open the watch yourself. That risks more damage and voids warranties. One key troubleshooting tip. If support asks, try their guided DFU-like restore only under instruction, since an incorrect restore can complicate repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.